Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. And on today's episode, I have a serious announcement. This announcement is Happy Taco Tuesday. I always wish you guys a happy Taco Tuesday. I love eating tacos on Tuesday. We love tacos. If you're not a big tacos fan, I recommend you go to the small restaurant near your house, small Mexican restaurant near your house, and support them and get some delicious Mexican food. They always serve the best food. Well, except for me, I make the best beans. Anyways, on today's show, we are going to talk about the top crypto news stories, and I'm going to get some charts to go ahead and pair this with the news stories and hopefully help make you guys some money. Let's get into it. This first announcement is from Gemini, and they just released something absolutely amazing that I will be using myself because I am an avid supporter of Gemini. So Gemini Earn Early Access is live for select customers. With the Gemini Earn account, you can receive up to 7.4% interest on your crypto, kind of similar to Celsius and also very similar to Crypto.com's Earn program. So interest is earned daily, no minimums, available in all 50 US states. This is the most important aspect of it because I know Hawaii, Texas, and New York do have some crypto exclusions, but Gemini has got you covered. So if you're in those states, I definitely recommend taking a look at Gemini. I may or may not have a ref link below if you want to support the channel. Also too, no fees when you redeem your crypto. And I'm excited for this passive income because I love Gemini. The only thing I want to know is if it's only going to be available on the mobile app or on the desktop. Me personally, I like the desktop feature better because I don't like to have crypto on my phone. God forbid I get SIM swapped. Either way, you guys, amazing news. Check this out. This next shout is not sponsored. I told you I was going to be covering a lot of the Polkadot projects because I believe that they are valuable and they can help make you guys some money. So Butterfly Protocol, their IDO has been blasted all over crypto Twitter, and it's going to be launched on Polkastarter and will take place on February 4th. To promote fair participation, here's another chance to be whitelisted. This is from the tweet. Whitelisting means that you get access to the presale. Sometimes there are stipulations with different projects to where you have to qualify for the presale. So for them to, or for you to go ahead and get whitelisted, you have to participate and do some of these tasks, follow, like, retweet, blah, blah, blah. I don't necessarily know if I'm a fan of doing all these tags. It kind of seems like a giveaway to help build the following, which I get it. Marketing wise, that's great. However, I don't know. Anyways, let's talk a little bit about what Butterfly Protocol is. So Butterfly Protocol is naming system for decentralized ownership of digital assets. So that would be for NFTs and all of that fun stuff. Their website looks pretty standard. They've got the white paper, overview document, and join the Telegram. I always recommend to join Telegrams because you want to find out what's going on and get a feel for the project before you participate in the presale. So a decentralized name system for the new internet. We aim to create a decentralized anonymous organization, a DAO, that will replace the DNS system and change the economics of domain ownership. Only by incubating a DAO registrar with its own tokens can we create lasting self-sustaining economy that can replace ICANN, the ability to remove people and governments from central control of the internet, paramount to create lasting uncensored internet. Okay, so I was a little bit wrong. It's not geared towards NFTs, it's geared towards anti-censorship internet, which I think is great. Either way, if you guys are interested in participating in it, some of the risks associated with pre-sales, you have to know how to trade these. And the way you trade pre-sales, you get in, you watch the charts, you wait for it to drop on exchanges, you watch price go up, and you start pulling profit. You start pulling profit, and you keep a moon bag. A moon bag is when you take out your initial investment and some profit, because generally what happens with pre-sales, IDOs, IEOs, price pumps, and then they plummet. So make sure you get out then, and if you want to buy back in later after you've taken your profit, totally fine. But wanted to share this with you guys, and again, it is not sponsored. Another Polkadot story, because I am a Polkadot maximalist. So 21 Shares is a major provider of cryptocurrency exchange traded products, ETP, and they are launching the world's first Polkadot ETP, and it's gonna be launched on February 4th. A lot of exciting stuff happening on February 4th. So an ETP is a crypto basket tracking 5 major cryptos, well, at least for 21 Shares. And Bitcoin and Ethereum are listed there, and they actually removed Bitcoin Cash for DOT, and that DOT allocation accounts for 27% of the ETP, and a committee decides on the ETP. A quote from the CEO: "We benefit from trusted partners for the liquidity provision And upon continued institutional demand, we are launching the DOT ETP to give investors a safe, regulated, and easy way to obtain exposure to this exciting new blockchain technology. In the next 3 months, we aim to add 2 to 3 more innovative ETPs. Interesting. Comment your thoughts below. Let me know what you guys think. Following that news story regarding Polkadot being added to an ETP by 21 shares, let's talk about price action. So price action has been holding pretty nicely in this range here. It ranges between $19.08 and we can even mark it down here to about $14.71. So this is going to be a really nice range. MACD does say we're bearish and it did indicate a bear cross. However, price has held very well in this area. Taking a look at our 4-hour chart, can we see anything? 4-hour chart is showing a little bit of a move up, so we'll probably go ahead and retest about $17.64. If we continue to get bullish, we'll be back up to about $19. I don't think that DOT is quite ready to pop off yet, but what I will tell you, I like this consolidation in this range. Anytime we have really nice consolidation, you will generally see a volatile move incoming, and with DOT, I do believe it'll probably be bullish, so I do think we will get to hit $19.26, and then from there probably 21 to 23 once the market starts popping off. Either way, this is a nice accumulation range for DOT. I do think DOT is going to perform super well in 2021 and hit a minimum of $100. Let's talk a little bit about this Cardano news. So, Decrypt reported Cardano price surges 30% ahead of big milestones. Cardano's price has been shooting up in recent months and now hit levels last seen in January 2018. Yes, we will take a look at the chart after this. So, Cardano, let's talk a little bit about what Cardano is. It is a proof of stake protocol that allows users to run smart contracts atop its blockchain. Very similar to Ethereum, basically the same thing. And again, it is up 30%, so people are excited. Some of the announcements that were made, they had a launch of their Natis assets on the blockchain, so folks can issue their own tokens, basically like ERC20 tokens. But the difference between Cardano and Ethereum is Cardano is not going to have these insane gas fees at all. And Ethereum right now is a proof of work. It's a mineable coin, but Cardano is a proof of stake. And Ethereum wants to go ahead and merge over to Ethereum 2.0, removing the POW capabilities and utilizing POS. It's going to be a huge network change, and the blockchain will be the same, but a little bit different. But Cardano is actually ahead of the game with Ethereum. The second thing that they did was they completed their decentralization of Cardano's staking pools in March. That will occur in March. Sorry about the confusion there. Either way, I think that Polkadot and Cardano are going to compete directly with Ethereum. My biggest bag of altcoins is Ethereum. I do have a little bit of Cardano just to kind of hedge, not a whole lot. And of course, you guys know I have DOT, and I'm dollar cost averaging on DOT weekly. This chart was from my stream on Sunday, and if you got into Cardano then, congratulations, because we exceeded my target, which I'm very excited about. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart, see what's going on. 4-hour chart still running a little bit of a pullback because we are testing the upper part of the Bollinger Band. You probably can expect for a pullback to about 41 cents, maybe down here to about 40 cents, and a continued staircase movement upward. Let's go ahead and actually zoom out, take a look at the 3-day, because I want to see previous price action from all the way back. Let me see. Actually, we're going to go ahead and go to the weekly. That makes more sense for me. Okay, so the last time we were this high was back in February of 2018. So the next area of support, or excuse me, resistance is going to be 52 cents. And then from there, we're going to see 60 cents, and then 66 cents with Cardano. So those would be my targets. I would still watch this area here at about 34 cents. This is a long-term chart. This is the weekly chart. But these areas here, if Cardano keeps producing and keeps doing what it's supposed to do, meeting all of its deadlines, we should see about 66 cents in the coming months, or maybe sooner. This is our Bitcoin chart here, just our simple range that we got going on. Let's go ahead and put on Market Cipher and see what's going on. Beautiful price action here as price is being held really well by these EMAs at about $33,565 of support. That is an important area of support for me currently. We did print this little X here that did indicate we were supposed to head downward. However, We're starting to get some nice price action here. Taking a look at these, at the oscillators and all of this type of stuff. This blue peak here looks like it's starting to turn bullish, and we actually just printed a green dot. So this is actually a long signal for market cipher. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and put little green lines all over where we had the green dots previously. Let's go ahead and see. So every time we printed a green dot, we had a run up, run up, run up. So I might actually open a long up. We will see. Either way, if we keep staying bullish, we will test about $38,200 here. And this should probably happen this week if everything goes to plan. A bearish scenario would be for us to get back in this box at about $31,000. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the O Show, for supporting me, for liking this video, sharing it, all of that stuff. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.